welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MIKALA LYNE, and thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So in today's video, I'm bringing out another vlog. I've been really popping out these vlogs like back to back to back, and I like it. I said in my description in my last video how much I like, you know, making vlogs now and bringing y'all along with me, capturing like different moments. Like, I really enjoy doing this whole YouTube thing. Like, it really became a hobby for me. It really has. But I'm sorry, if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome back. It's your girl MIKALA. But in today's video, first off, happy Saturday. Today, let me give y'all a rundown of today. I'm actually about to go with my family. We're about to go, you know, do a little run real quick at a track that we normally go to. Because right now I don't even have my Apple Watch on. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. We're really supposed to be gone at 9 o'clock, but it's Saturday. I had to get my sleep in because, you know, I've been tired lately. I don't know why, but we're supposed to be doing that this morning. I might do a little run, I don't know, because on Saturdays I normally just don't do nothing, no type of workout, but I might just walk or run. But my daddy going, and he be trying to like compete with me, talking about I can run more than you can run. I don't got time for that today, so I'm probably have to, you know, show him up and run real quick and show him that I can run faster than him, longer than him, get more miles than him, get more calories burned than him. It's just a competition between me and him sometimes. But after that, I do want to go ahead and start, you know, decorating my room. I know I said that in vlogs way back when, that I want to do it like a series or whatever, but I think I want to start doing it now. I feel like it's a good time, and plus I'm tired of y'all. Look how empty my room looks. It looks so empty. It's just wall here. It's just wall. So I might go ahead and go get some curtains today, just, you know, to start off, because I have in my mind what I want to do. Matter of fact, let me tell y'all. So right here, I think I want to get some sheer curtains, and then like this is like my office. Don't mind that crazy junk over there. That's like all my YouTube stuff. But this is like my little, not office, but my desk area. So I think right here I want to put my calendar that I have right there, and then like right here I want to put some little, like those little shelves. I don't know if y'all ever saw them before, but I'll show y'all too. Some shelves, like to put some like encouraging stuff on there and things like that. And then like right here above my bed, I want to put some pictures, probably like 3 pictures. But the thing is, this is the part I'm stuck on. Right here, this wall right here that's across from my bed, this wall right here that's right next to my TV, I don't know what to put right there. So if y'all have any ideas about that, let me know. Put it in the comment section, because excuse me, I need help with that. I don't know what to put right there at all, and I'm ready to get this stuff started because, like I said, my room looked too plain for me, too plain. So I think after that, after I come home and shower and stuff, I think me and my mom is gonna go like to Big Lots or Marshalls or Target. You know, ladies, you already know we right here. If you go to Target, there's no list. It's just vibes, okay? It's just vibes. So I think I want to do that with her, and plus she want to get some stuff like for the living room, because like we in the mind state, we just want to, you know, redo stuff. Like we in the mind state like that. So after that, I do have my cousin's gender reveal today. So that's another reason why I wanted to vlog, because I'm team boy over here. I think me and my mom is team boy, but my cousin, she said she want a girl. So I'm team boy because we have enough girls in the family. We do. So team boy over here. I'm gonna show y'all what she's having. So y'all gonna see that little, you know, that gender reveal. I can't wait to that, because I love all that type of stuff. Gender reveals, baby showers, weddings, bridal showers, all that. I love all that. Other than that, I wanted to go ahead and do this intro to, you know, give y'all the rundown of everything, because I don't like just coming into the vlog and y'all be like, okay, so what's she doing today? I just want to give y'all a rundown. So I hope y'all continue to watch the video, and if you're new, remember to hit that subscribe button, and y'all start leaving comments down below so we can, you know, engage in the conversation and stuff like that. So I hope y'all continue to watch the video, and I hope y'all like it. I'll see y'all when I get to the track, when I'm running or walking, whatever. So I'll see y'all later. So we finally made it We finally made it. It has taken us almost 45 minutes because literally everyone was trying to get the vaccine, and it was so much traffic. But we finally made it, and guess what, y'all? I don't have no Apple Watch, and me and my coworker is supposed to be competing to I hope y'all can hear me, but we're supposed to be competing to get so many points, and whoever wins by this upcoming Thursday, then wins. So this hour run/walk is about to be a waste of my time. Not a waste of my time, but I'm not counting no calories, no nothing. So look, my mama, she trying to take a picture, y'all. Y'all, this is my workout buddy. Like we be getting. So yeah, I'll catch y'all later because I know I'm about to be out of breath and be sweating. I'm trying to get my daddy on it. Let me see if I can get him, because y'all know he be acting up. Let me see. Y'all see? He's trying to walk away. Daddy.
No,
Daddy.
no, like,
He ignored me.
man.
I'll get him later because he act just like my sister, so I'll get him later. Be excited. You tired? Say hey to you too.
Man, after running 3 miles, yeah, I'm tired.
He ran 3 miles. I haven't ran that much yet. Y'all see my mama? Oop! So yeah, we still out here. Still getting it in. I ain't tired yet, so I need to do some more. Keep going. Yeah, he dripping, he tired.
Yeah, to do this, you gotta be, what they say?
Okay.
Committed. I'm committed.
Look at my parents.
So I'm off again. Peace.
Yeah, I'm about to go. Okay, y'all, so we finished. This was something I needed because I've been slacking working out. As y'all can see, my little cheeks a little rosy. But since I don't have my Apple Watch, Mama, how many calories? You don't remember? Because whatever she burned,
310.
I burned the same thing. So 310 calories. And it was, what, how many miles?
3.13.
3.13. How you feel?
4 minutes. I feel good.
Daddy, how you feel?
That's always good.
So we finished. Now we about to, go back and freshen up. I do need to, like I said in my last workout video, I've been doing my ab stuff, ab workouts every day. I need to go home and do like at least 50 abs, something, because I'm trying to get my lines back in my abs. So I'm gonna go home and do that, and then I'll be done working out for the day. It was a good workout and I needed it. So I'll catch y'all later when we're doing something else. Okay, y'all, so if y'all hear all in the background, my daddy cutting the yard. So fast forward now, it's 2 o'clock. I almost say baby shower. The gender reveal is at 3 o'clock. So what we did was we just went to go get some brunch/breakfast food from First Watch. Brought it home because we was in a rush. Like, time got away from us. But yeah, I'm about to go eat that. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. It's just pancakes, sausage, and eggs. So hopefully it's good, but I'm gonna still show y'all because I know some people like, what's First Watch? And all that. But I forgot, when you go to a gender reveal, you gotta wear some type of color. Like, if you represent the girl, you gotta wear pink, and if you represent the boy, you gotta wear blue. And I could not find anything. It's hot outside down here in Texas. It's 78 degrees when I was out there yesterday. When I was out there like an hour ago. So I'm pretty sure it's in the 80s now. So what I did was I just put on this, it looked black on the screen, but it's just like a navy blue sundress. Straight to the point. I'll probably take my hair down, like wear it down, and I'll put some Tory sandals on or whatever and call it a day, because I didn't know what to wear. At first I wanted to wear a sundress because it's sundress season, alright. I was gonna wear this one, like this tropical, but then I was like, I don't know, because I think I'm feeling this one now. If I come back and I have this one on, it's because I decided to wear it. But oh, and then I had this one, but I was like, this ain't got really nothing to do with a boy. Like, it's supposed to be blue. So I was like, nah, I ain't gonna wear that one. But yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. So we kind of in a rush because it started at 3. We haven't ate yet, so I'm about to go eat real quick. My face is so oily because I just did my face routine. But let me light it up in here a little bit. So I'm about to go eat right now. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating, and then next time y'all see me, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be at the gender reveal, and I'm gonna show y'all what she having. Team boy over here. Team boy. Mama, she got on pink and blue. She said she don't know which one she want to go for, but I said it's too many girls in the family already. Like, you can have some boys, bring some boys. So I'm gonna see y'all when we at the gender reveal. So y'all, I thought I was gonna show y'all my food. It was good. Like, first watch is like healthy, and then my mama, her food in here. We tore it up. So I'll catch y'all a little later in like 30 minutes. I'll catch y'all. Y'all, she want me to show this bag. And then my dog, she going crazy because she want to go outside with my daddy watch he cut the yard. Spoiled. She's spoiled. So I'll catch y'all later when we get to the gender reveal. Team boy! I didn't get as much as I could at the gender reveal. I was trying to, spend time with family that I have not seen in years. So I was trying to do that. But as y'all seen in the last clip, it's a boy. I'm having a boy cousin. I knew it the whole time. I knew it. I was just like manifesting it. We need a boy. We need a boy. But I also want to come on here and close out the video. I did say that in my last vlog, I told y'all that I was going to show y'all the products that I got from the hairline that Sherelle, the girl I showed y'all, with the lady I showed y'all in my last clip. Not my last clip, my last vlog. This is the package that it came in. Y'all, it was so perfect. So this is the two things I got, the shampoo and the conditioner. And then what's made it so perfect is she like had this on the inside of it, and basically it just shows you when you're supposed to use the conditioner, when you're supposed to use the shampoo, and how many times a month you're supposed to use it, and what it's supposed to do, how you do it, like the whole 9 yards. And then she even like put at the bottom, implemented the trim. So she put like little boxes on there to where you can just check, like it's a check box, so you can check off like when did you start using it, and just keeping up with everything for the next 3 months. And I actually talked to her on Instagram, and she like helped me out and like gave me some advice on my natural hair and with using her products. So I'm gonna try these out and I'm gonna let y'all know, because I'm excited, and she do have some hair oil I want to use. But yeah, I'm just excited about this. Like, it's just so professional and just so well put together, and I love that. And that's why we always gotta support Black owned businesses, gotta support. But yeah, I wanted to close out this video. As y'all seen, I didn't do much today at all. The main highlight of my day was the gender reveal. I just love gender reveal. Like, I'm just so happy that we having a boy cousin. I'm having a boy cousin. My cousin is a boy mom, period. But I really enjoyed myself today. So I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, this day vlog. And if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, as well as turn on your post notifications so you'll know the next time I post a video. So like I say in all my videos, I post every Wednesday a fitness video and every Friday dealing with lifestyle, anything dealing with lifestyle or natural hair, anything that's on Fridays. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in my next video on Wednesday. Peace.